Internal body parts. Heart. Heart pumps blood to all parts of our body. It gives our body the oxygen and energy it needs. Brain. Brain controls all body functions. It helps us think, learn, move, and remember things. Liver. Liver cleans our blood and removes toxins from it. It also regulates blood sugar level. Lungs. Lungs help us to breathe in air. They take in oxygen from the air and get rid of carbon dioxide. Kidneys. Kidneys filter waste products and extra water from the blood to create urine. Stomach. Stomach helps us to digest food by breaking down food into smaller pieces. Small intestine. The small intestine absorbs most of the nutrients from digested food. Large intestine. The large intestine reabsorbs the water from the digested food. Bladder. Bladder stores urine before it is eliminated from the body. Pancreas. The pancreas regulates blood sugar by producing hormones. They help in digestion by secreting digestive enzymes. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe.